Hi, good morning. It's 10:20. And hi, Daddy. Si Daddy. Ba, nag-hi naman yung bata. Hi, Zeb. Zeb. Anyway, hintayin na lang namin yung pinsan ko na mag-drive for us to the airport. And then we're leaving. Gonna say bye to Daddy again. My throat is feeling much better today. Pero feeling ko sisipunin ako. So yun. Lungkot. We'll see. How are we gonna be without Daddy here again? Ako, good luck kay Zeb Gavin. Hello. See you later. Are you dancing, Zeb? Where are we going? Where are we going? Turn na pa kayo, ha? Iiwan na tayo ulit ni Daddy, Zeb. We're here na sa airport. Hindi na ako nag-makeup, kasi iiyak lang naman ako, eh. No, Zeb. Smile lang, smile. Akala mo ba pupunta tayo sa Singapore? Ha? Akala mo we're going to Singapore? No. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Hi, Zeb.
Hi.
Naka-check-in na si Daddy. Hintayin na lang ng time. Gusto sana namin kumain kasi ang daming tao. Kainis. Ako naman. Daddy, when are you coming back?
Saan yung McDo dito?
Wala mo McDo? Baka sa tapat. Daddy, when are you coming back?
I don't know. Next month. Next month.
Zeb.
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 Zeb, Mommy's calling you.
Iwan ni Daddy si Mommy. Buntis pa man din.
Wow.
We still have around 1.5 hours before check-in. Take out ka na lang. Dito tayo kumain. Pwede ba? May batay na babaro. Hi, Zeb. You like it? Nung photoshoot din yun, may bubbles kami.
Kaya siya na gano'n.
Hindi, meron siya inaabot na iba nun. Say bye to Daddy now. Say bye, Daddy. Bye, Daddy. Hey, we're home. Daddy, Daddy. Hindi ako masyado nakadrama kasi ang bilis ng mga pangyayari. Malilit na kasi si Daddy. Ang tagal dun nag-take out ako sa Jollibee. Hindi na rin kami nakakain. So, dinala na lang ni Daddy yung palabok niya. Sa plane na lang niya kakainin. Kaya yun. Baby. Daddy's not here now. Very sad. First time na naghahabol na siya kanina nung ano ba yun? Karga ko na siya, diba? Tapos palayo si Vince. Yun, umiiyak siya, naghahabol. Miss niya yung Daddy niya, for sure. Want water? Ay, naku. So, yun lang. Kakain muna kami. Gutom na ako. Hi! We're done eating. Ay, naku. It's 3:20 na. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. So, hopefully mag-nap si Zeb. But anyway, nga pala, alam nyo, before kami umuwi from airport, dumaan muna kami ng SM Sukat kasi may minute ako. Taray. May minute ako na tita ng friend ko. Ano siya, school, classmate ko siya nung grade school. Hindi ko lang tanda kung grade 5 or grade 6. Tapos after that, nag-migrate na sila sa US. Hinihingal ako. So, nalaman ko na nanonood siya ng, ng vlogs ko, sa YouTube. Nanonood siya ng mga videos ko. And, yung last time na nabanggit ko yung about sa Is Judy Time pala. Natitirikan ko ng kandila. Ayun. Ang sweet-sweet. Pinadalan ako. Sis Genesis. Or I think Jen na lang yung nickname niya ngayon. Thank you so much. I got it. Hero. Diba? Nagpa-balikbayan box sila nung December. Nung December pa dumating to. But since, diba, umalis naman kami ni Zeb. So, ngayon ko lang nakuha. Wait nga, bubuksan ko lang. Yan na. Ang padala niya sa akin. So sweet of you. Wait, let's open Zeb. Woohoo! Meron na akong titirikan ng kandila. Zeb. Yay! I have a spare. It's Judy Time. So, since di na siya available. I think may mga nagbibenta pa sa Amazon. Pero, syempre, hindi siya permanent line. So, it's nice to have one for backup. Just in case maubos na yung akin. And then, oh, no, Zeb. Can I borrow, please? Oy, Zeb Gavin. Ito po, oh. Wait. Diyan ang taray. Binigyan ako ng MAC na gel liner. First time ko naman magkaroon ito. So, kailangan practicein ang aking pag-gel liner. Thank you so much. Sis Jen, thank you so much. Super, super thank you. I'm so touched talaga with, It's Judy Time. And the MAC gel liner. Thank you. Tsaka ang bait ang tita mo. Nakakatawa. Nag-picture-picture pa kami sa cellphone niya para daw makita mo. Say thank you. Thank you for mommy's makeup. At least something to brighten up my day today. So, yun. Medyo masakit na naman yung lalamunan ko. Pero bearable. Hindi katulad kahapon. Yun lang. So, I'm gonna take a rest. Tulog kami ni Zeb, hopefully. So, yeah. See you later. Hi. It's 6:10. Kakagising lang halos namin ni Zeb from a nap. Pagkagising ko, hinahanap ko si Daddy. I thought panaginip lang yung umalis siya. Ay, naku. I'm so sad. Zeb, are you sad? Zeb, are you sad? Look. Oh, you are okay. Sige. Daddy daw si Zeb. See ya. K-E-Y-M-O-U-S-E. That's it. Dance. Hindi niya masyado gusto si Mickey Mouse na. Dance, baby. Let's come inside. It's this. Yay. Yes! Hi! Say hi to Daddy. Say hi. Hi. Say hi. Yay. Do you miss Daddy? Do you miss Daddy? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? No? Not here? Uh-oh. Where's Daddy? Uh-oh. Okay. So, yeah. Mag-good night na kami ni baby. Say good night na, Daddy. Say good night. Bye-bye. I miss you, Daddy. Balik ka na ulit. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye. Thanks for watching. Say bye.